Namaste. Hello everyone. Warm greeting. Myself Yangma Limbu. I am a student of Southwestern State College, currently studying Hotel Management of Management faculty. I like to share my little experience with you. I still remember the day when I first visited Southwestern. I was too excited, I was nervous and too numb. But thanks to the college staff department and the teacher to provide me such a friendly environment and bring back my confidence back. Southwestern is not a casual college. It is an institution that provides equal education and homely environment and offers you to +2 programs in science, management, law and humanities and many more. Southwestern is one of the IUS certified colleges of Nepal. It is run by a team of national and international academic leaders. As a student of hotel management, I have learned so many different new things, theoretically and practically both. Southwestern State College provides us a well-furnished lab and necessary equipment for the student. Southwestern College focuses on helping each and every student to achieve their goals and dreams and create a platform and opportunity for their students. At last, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to join us with hospitality and open arms. I hope you guys will look forward for us. Thank you.